Good morning, folks. It is approximately 8 in the morning. Got my trusty steed right to my right and my trusty house right to my left. So yesterday we left Cobden, which was right here, and we drove about 600 kilometers, 650 kilometers give or take. We are about a third of the way through Ontario. The goal today is to get to Thunder Bay. I'm a poet and I didn't even know it. It's going to be 700-ish plus 750 kilometers. Today we're going to hopefully hammer down. We lost some time stopping because of the rain and gearing up and gearing down, stuff like that. Today we're going to try to be a little bit more efficient. Catch you on the road.
That's what we tried to do off the tent. Somewhat effectively.
The honor system, folks. $20, well worth it. So we are currently in Sault Ste. Marie, working our way through the town, heading toward Thunder Bay on the 17. Sault Ste. Marie is a border town. We actually have the Ontario city, and then right across the border is the US, and the name of the US city is actually also called Sault Ste. Marie. How's that for confusing? It is on the Lake Superior, one of the Great Lakes in Canada and the US. It is an absolute massive lake, and we're going to be following that lake all the way around right to Thunder Bay. Just snaking our way through some mountains and some lakes. Look how blue that water is. Okay, so I'm not sure what's going on, but my bike just had a service error come up, so I'm gonna pull over here really quickly. Hopefully it's something minor. I just had a service light come on. Okay, so nothing big. I just checked in the system here, and it's basically just telling me that the next service is due for the oil change. We did an oil change before we left, so we're just going to reset that and we're good to go. We just seen this really cool beach that we're going to take a quick peek at called Catherine Cove. This looks like a spot that might be picturesque. Well, that place is spectacular. Wish we could have stayed a little bit longer, but as they say, the show must go on. We're riding right now in the heart of Lake Superior Provincial Park, and there's nothing but these long, swooping turns up mountains and down hills. This is a really spectacular place to ride a motorcycle. I highly recommend anyone who's watching this, if you are able to and you're in the area, even if you don't go all the way north, Northern Ontario is amazing. We just rolled into Wawa, and there's an Esso right there that we are going to have to pay a little visit to. Well, they have Supreme. That's what we need.
So, this gives new meaning to lunch on the road.
Look at that view. Not much more to say about that. Just look at it. Amazing. That's some big country out there. Well, we arrived and it's not pitch black. All right, guys, we made it. It's not quite dark yet. And when I called and asked if they had any spots available, I specifically asked if they had a spot for the hammock. We got these two big trees right here. In terms of privacy, not really the best, but at least we don't need to worry about bears. Right now, I need some noodles or something, so we're gonna cook up something fast. So on the menu tonight, there's gonna be some creamy bacon carbonara. Got the water starting to boil, and I'm gonna add some flakes of turkey in there. We're eating good tonight. The recipe is calling for a half a cup of water and half a cup of milk. Don't have milk, but coffee mate should do the trick, I think. We'll let you know. Add our turkey flakes and add a little bit of pepper. Bon appetit. It's amazing how food is so good when you're so hungry.